Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Skirt. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. And if you don't feel like dropping a comment, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Today we're doing another wig review. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I lay and slay. Cause sometimes I go off. I go hard. Get what's mine. I'm a star. So if you want to see how I lay and slay this unit, stay tuned. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey, hey, hey. Your girl got new nails, so you know I'm finna be extra in this video. All right, y'all, let's jump right into this wig. Sensational, Cloud 9, Wet Lace, Miss Kiyari. Is y'all ready to be introduced to my new friend? Is y'all ready? Bam! Okay, this is Miss Kiyari, y'all, and she is real hot in these streets right now. I really wasn't going to get her. I was just going to wait till a company sent her to me because, you know, she kind of on the pricey side. But, you know, she was actually gifted to me by one of my boo-boos. You know, she probably watching it. Hey, boo, I ain't gonna put all our business out in the street. I did get her in the color number 1. Here she is, fresh out the pack. The hair feels really, really good, y'all. It's a nice yucky texture. Let's get into this hairline. Here is the lace in the hairline up close. Like, it looks really, really good. There we go. Look how bomb that looks. On the inside of the cap, we have 2 combs on the side. We have 1 comb in the back with the adjustable strap. If you've watched reviews on the What Lace line, you know that their lace is really, really ashy. Sensational. It's like they ignoring us when we like, yo, this lace is too light, okay? But, you know, I'm going to try to work my magic and see what I can do with her. Okay, so let's go ahead and try her on. I'm every woman. Why do I feel like Shaka Khan? This is her on my head, fresh out the pack. All right, let's brush her out a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how long she is. She's stopping like right at my chest area. I am 5'1". I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the side and turn to the back. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the parting space. The parting spaces on these units are really, really good to be a synthetic unit. They do give you lots of parting space. Like, it's amazing how much parting space you get. You can get a left part. Y'all know I'm a lefty. You can have a middle part. Or you can have a right part. And y'all know I don't do no right part. Now that I've showed you guys the parting space and the length, I'm gonna go ahead and get into laying and slaying this unit. And then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Yo, my skin is like really bumpy right now. So I just came on here real raw, real raw, real ugly. Y'all just gonna have to pardon my ugliness until I glow up, okay? All right, let's get into this wig. am so freaking excited about this unit. Miss Kiyari, she is coming to shut it down, baby. Okay, let's get into what I don't like about this unit and what I like about this unit. Okay, we all know the one con about the What Lace line. The lace is ashy. So if you do purchase this wig, just be mindful that you are gonna have to put some work, some elbow grease. Hold on. I had to make sure my elbows weren't ashy. So you're gonna have to put in some work to get this lace to blend good. That is the only negative thing I have to say about this unit. The only negative thing is the lace. So we're gonna get into what I like about this unit. Hey, I almost hit the robot. Y'all not ready? Aside from the lace, I love everything about this wig. Okay, like, I'm feeling myself. It's a good hair length. The hair texture, I love the hair texture. It's so soft, y'all. I have experienced some minor tangling when, you know, I was styling the wig, but it goes away really quickly. As you can see, I'm running my hands through the wig now, and it's no problem. We gotta check the nape of the neck. Uh-oh, bam. There's no tangling back here in the nape, so you know you got a good wig, honey. This unit is on the pricier side, but I think it's worth it because you are getting a really great hairline. And yeah, you gotta fix the lace, but we knew that. Also, you get a lot of parting space. Y'all have to realize these wig companies don't be putting out a lot of parting space for these synthetic wigs. So to get this much parting space on a synthetic unit, that is the bomb.com. It's so many tips and tricks that you can do to tint your lace that it's really not that big of a deal. It's more of an inconvenience. You will be able to fix the lace. It's not very hard. You can even follow the steps that I did in this video today and it will work out just for you. But if you haven't seen my first video on the What Lace CHRISSY unit, I'll leave that link down below so you can go ahead and check that out. Also, I will leave links down below where you can purchase this unit. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you have any comments or any questions regarding this unit, how I lay my wigs, anything, drop them down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I will see you in the next video. Peace.